Hello traders! In this video we're gonna explain how to customize the sidebar, this area here, and I'm gonna explain everything that you need to know here. Okay, so first, this is exactly where you see all the accounts that you have under your license. Okay, so you can create bracket orders here, you can place orders with price, quantity, even in cash or contracts you can customize this. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of how to do it. You can see that you can place a buy stop on the prices mentioned, added here, buy limit and buy market. You can sell and add a sell stop, sell limit, and a sell market. You can invert positions. If you're long with one contract, you're gonna be short in one contract. You can cancel orders, you can close orders, and you can cancel and close very fast. Okay, you can see your available balance, you can see your open P&L, your daily P&L, your average price, your total exposure, and that's it. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, it's a chart trading configuration that you can pretty much see all the features that you can add. You can show orders, you can even show trades. For example, you can see some trades that I've done. It was another symbol, NMQ. For example, you can see all the trades that I've done here, and this is pretty cool. Okay, what else on the sidebar? That's exactly what I want to show you. So you can add buy and sell market. You can buy at the ask and sell at the bid, but you can also add a buy bid and sell ask. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now. So I can buy at the bid and sell at the ask. So I'm not aggressively sending orders. Okay, so I'm pretty much on the bid and on the ask. What else? On the sidebar, you can change the color. Let's say if I want a green, you can go on the left and then on the right. You can predefine value. So total orders, I want 4 orders right here. Okay, and I want as quantity as well. So I want to change 2 and 3, and there we go. So we can, this is like you can do, but this is not going to be working of course for futures, but you can do contract size and you can change exactly the quantity. What else? Show positions. You show position, margin, everything that you want. You can even hide if you want, if you don't want to see everything. Trading parameters, you can add TIF, good to be cancelled, few or kill. So it's 100% you can configure yourself. Okay, that's pretty much it. You can change this is better for another video, but that's pretty much how. And all the, like, this display works for all accounts or only for the specific account that you're seeing. Okay, so you can manage and customize this for it. Okay, and that's how you can add a cover point. That's pretty much it displays on the chart the equilibrium point that once you're in a position where you're gonna be flat. Okay, and that's an interesting feature as well. Now the market it's closed, but that's something else that you can use. Okay, thank you, and till the next video.